Draw near to God and he will draw near to you. James 4 verse 8.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cara, and it's a Sunday. It's the 27th of October. On a Sunday evening, it's like 19. Let me check the time. It's 19:44, and my busy mind has decided I have to do my hair. So I've been rocking a wig for the past week. Yeah, it's only been a week, and then I've been like trying to style my hair and everything. So this is what my hair looks like. This is what it looks like under my wigs, people. Quickly wash my hair, moisturize it, oil it, pretty much prep it for the protective style. And then I'm gonna be right back and I'm gonna show you how I am going to do this style.
But to joy comes early in the morning. Prepare your heart for your sun will soon be shining.
Okay, so I went ahead and I started with the back of my head, and this is pretty much the pattern I'll be using. The front part of my head will have box braids using the rubber band method. If you haven't watched my previous video on how to do box braids, you should definitely check it out. It will give you a more detailed method on how to do it, so I suggest you watch that video. I will put the link in the description box, and I will have the link somewhere on the screen, so watch out for that. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I did the first part, and then I'm gonna try and explain it, if at all I'll make any sense. So yeah, just watch what I do, and I'm gonna be back to explain the process. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to explain it. So just prep the wig, get the hook in, and then what you want to do is just pull half of the extension wig like that, and you want it to be leveled at the bottom. And then what I do is I divide it into three equal parts, and then I get my hair and I divide that into two and kind of like pull it just to tighten, like what I'm doing there, just to tighten the box braid, I think. Yeah, and then I get 1/3 and I just like twist it around, and then I just braid it. It's that simple, guys. It's not complicated at all. It's easy. Anyone can do it. It just takes time, patience, and dedication. So yeah, then I just finish up the braid, and voila, we are almost done. Okay, I will say this, guys. If you know you are slow like me, and you know you've got a program the following day, please don't do your hair at night. Just don't do that. I learned by doing this, I learned that sleep is very important. The body cannot function well, guys, without sleep. Your body needs to rest. That's the lesson I learned from this day, because like I said and will say later on, I did not sleep that night. I spent the whole night braiding my hair and went to work the next morning. That was a horrible, horrible idea. Don't do that. Do not do this at home. Don't do that. At least get about, the recommended is 8 hours of sleep. Get it. Each hour matters. Oh, I was so tired. Okay, now hold up before you leave the video. We are almost done. So now what you want to do is just measure where you want your braids to end, and then put the rubber band there, just like nicely secure it there, and then cut it off at the point, like I would say about an inch after the rubber band, just to give it that blunt fuzzy look at the bottom that we go for in this look. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that all over my head, and then we are done. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Oh, wow. So it's 05:26 in the morning, and I haven't slept at all, and power just cut. Welcome to Zambia. Zesco has done it again, and my hair is not done. I need to be at work in the next 3 hours. I haven't slept at all. Oh, this is gonna be a very interesting Monday. Zesco! Wow. Guess I'm gonna have to finish in the dark. So I cannot believe it's morning already, guys. Oh my god, I just opened the door and I actually thought it was still dark outside. Wow. So, well, I'm almost done, and this is what it looks like. All I have to do is cut this one and add my little clips, and I guess I'm done. I'm gonna show you guys the end look, and guess I have to take a bath and go to work with zero sleep. Wow. So hey guys, I'm back, and this is what my hair looks like. Ooh. Okay, how I pronounce that. Okay, this is how my hair looks like, and I like it. I really do. I love it. I really love it. I don't know if it was worth it though, because I'm so tired. I'm at work, and right now I'm using my lunch break to sleep, and outside at the back of the office, and it looks nasty, but I need to sleep. I need to get even just a few minutes of sleep, because I am suffering right now. Like, look at my eyes. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they are so red, and I am dozing. I am tired, so I'm about to take a quick nap, but I wanted to show you guys how the hair looks. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see more on my channel. And yeah, someone requested for products I use, and that video will be coming very soon. I've been kind of broke, so my supply has been very low, but when I do get my usual products, I'm gonna make that video for you guys. So stay tuned. Love you.